morning everyone. Today in this video we will keep it very short and we are going to learn the differences between evaporation and the transpiration. So the first process is the evaporation. It occurs in non-living system. Okay, evaporation occur in non-living system, whereas the transpiration it occur in living areas of plant. Okay, so this is the first difference between the two processes, that is the evaporation and the transpiration. The second difference is in the evaporation, the process involves the formation of water vapor at the free surface, and the free surface is a non-living system. It can be flowing water or in a pond. Okay, so it involves the formation of water vapor. And if we talk about the transpiration, the water vapors are formed, but they are formed inside the plant tissue. So water vapors are formed inside the plant tissue. Okay, the next difference is, since the evaporation, we know that for non-living system, it occurs in non-living system and it involves the formation of water surface. This process is governed by the environmental condition and is a physical process. So evaporation is a physical process. Okay, and it is governed by environmental factors. Whereas transpiration, it can be physical or it can be physiological. Okay, so the next fourth difference is, in the process of evaporation, light does not directly play any influential role. So light do not directly influence. Okay, however, transpiration, as we know that it is occurring in the living areas of the plant, so light it play influential regulatory role. How? The light play the regulatory role by governing the stomatal opening and closing. Okay, so if the stomata is open, there will be more transpiration, and if it is closed, there will be no transpiration. Okay, so now the next difference is, since it is occurring into the evaporation is occurring into non-living system, so this process is comparatively faster. Okay, it's a faster process as compared to the transpiration. However, since the transpiration is occurring inside the closed living area of the plants, it is a very slow process comparison to the evaporation. So it is a slow process. Okay, and the last difference we are going to learn between the two processes, the carbon dioxide, pH and hormones. Okay, they do not have any role in the evaporation, do not influence evaporation, this process. Okay, however, carbon dioxide, pH and hormone influences the transpiration process. Okay, it influences transpiration. So before closing of the video, I would like to again go through the points which we learned in this video. So first of all, the first difference between evaporation and transpiration is that evaporation occurs in the non-living system, whereas the transpiration, it occurs in the living area of the plants. Okay, so we all know that evaporation is a formation of water vapor. Okay, and transpiration, water vapors are formed, but since this process is occurring inside the plant's system, so the water vapors, they are formed inside the plant tissue. Okay, evaporation is a physical process and it is governed by the environmental factors, if there is more sunny day, there will be more evaporation, right? So transpiration also, if there is more sunny day, then there will be more transpiration, or it can be a physiological also. It depends upon the plant of the age of the plant and other factors also. Okay, so light do not directly influence the evaporation, but it do affect the transpiration. Compared to the transpiration, evaporation is a faster process and transpiration is a slower one. The carbon dioxide, pH and hormone, it do not influence these processes, and transpiration is affected by the carbon dioxide, pH and the hormone. So thank you for watching my